Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your car detailing game to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into the world of air compressors, specifically tailored for car detailing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right air compressor can make all the difference in achieving that showroom shine. We'll explore the top models on the market, comparing features, performance, and affordability to help you find the best air compressor that suits your needs perfectly. Imagine effortlessly blowing away dirt from those hard-to-reach spots, inflating tires in a flash, or even using it for paint jobs. Stick around as we reveal our top picks and tips that every car detailer should know. Let's get started. Number 5. Vevor 6.3-gallon air compressor is an exceptional choice for anyone in need of a reliable, powerful, and quiet air compressor. With its 1450W oil-free motor, it delivers an impressive 3.35 CFM at 90 psi, making it perfect for various pneumatic tools like impact wrenches, nail guns, spray guns, and more. Whether you're inflating tires, doing auto repairs, spray painting, or woodworking, this compressor can handle it all. The double tube and double cylinder intake design increase efficiency, saving you time on your tasks. Plus, its low 70 dB noise level, thanks to two quality silencers, ensures a quieter workspace without sacrificing power. Built for durability, the Vevor air compressor features a 3-layer protective construction with rust and wear-resistant materials, and a maximum pressure capacity of 3.5 MPa, ensuring longevity and reliability. For added safety, it includes automatic overheating protection, cooling fans, and pressure relief features. This compressor is designed to last while delivering the power and efficiency you need for all your air tool requirements. So, if you're looking for the best air compressor for car detailing, the Vevor 6.3-gallon air compressor should be at the top of your list. Number 4. Limodot Ultra Quiet Air Compressor Portable is a high-performance, electric air compressor designed for both personal and professional use. Offering 1 HP of power with a 1-gallon pressure tank and a maximum of 120 psi. This compact unit ensures efficient and reliable performance for a variety of tasks. The ultra-quiet operation is a standout feature, producing only 60 dB, making it the perfect choice for residential or commercial areas where noise can be a concern. It is ideal for car detailing, as well as for bike tires, pneumatic tools, and even nail guns. With a quick connect air coupler outlet and a rapid tank recovery time of just 45 seconds, you can work without interruption, increasing productivity. Whether you're a mechanic, woodworker, or contractor, this lightweight air compressor, only 31.75 pounds, is portable enough to take anywhere, while its durable Q235B steel construction ensures longevity. Plus, the oil-free motor guarantees smooth performance, even in colder temperatures, making it versatile for all seasons. This small yet powerful air compressor is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, quiet, and efficient tool for their workshop, garage, or job site. Number 3. Porter-Cable 6-gallon pancake air compressor is the perfect choice for car detailing, combining portability with power. With a 150 psi max tank pressure, it ensures longer tool runtimes and quick recovery times with 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, allowing you to tackle multiple tasks efficiently. The 6-gallon pancake-style tank provides stability during use and includes a convenient water drain valve and rubber feet for added protection. Its low-amp 120V motor allows for easy startups, even in cold weather or when using an extension cord. This oil-free compressor offers a durable, maintenance-free pump that extends the lifespan of the unit. The shroud, handle, and console cover protect vital components, making it easy to carry and store with the built-in cord wrap. Equipped with 2 factory-installed air couplers, it supports 2 users simultaneously, making it perfect for multitasking. Weighing only 30 pounds, this compressor is highly portable. Plus, it comes with a 13-piece accessory kit, providing the tools you need for inflation and cleaning tasks. Whether you're working on car detailing or other DIY projects, this Porter-Cable compressor offers the power, reliability, and convenience you need. Number 2. DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor is an exceptional choice for anyone in need of a reliable, high-performance air compressor. With a 165 max PSI and a 6.0 gallon tank, it delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI, providing long tool runtimes and quick recovery, making it ideal for car detailing. Its high-efficiency motor ensures easy startup, even in cold weather or when using an extension cord, with a recommended 14-gauge or larger cord up to 50 feet. The 78.5 dBA noise level guarantees a quieter work environment, perfect for those who need peace while working. The high-flow regulator and couplers maximize air tool performance, ensuring smooth operation for all your car detailing needs. The oil-free pump offers a long life and requires no maintenance, making this air compressor hassle-free. Its console cover protects the controls, and the outlet tube is cleverly rerouted to avoid any potential snagging points. At just 30 pounds, the DeWalt compressor is lightweight, making it easy to carry and store, while the two universal couplers allow two users to work simultaneously. Plus, the ball drain valve ensures quick and thorough tank drainage for a clean and efficient operation. This portable and powerful air compressor is the perfect tool to elevate your car detailing setup. Number 1. Craftsman 6-gallon pancake air compressor is an ideal choice for car detailing enthusiasts who need a reliable, portable, and efficient tool. Built with a durable, oil-free pump, this air compressor eliminates the need for maintenance, ensuring long-term use without any hassle. It features a 6-gallon tank, offering ample stored air to handle a variety of tasks, making it perfect for inflating tires, cleaning, or powering air tools. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, this compressor provides the right amount of force to tackle demanding jobs. Additionally, its quick recovery time of 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi ensures you can work uninterrupted, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Whether you're a professional detailer or a DIYer, the Craftsman CMEC 6150K delivers consistent, powerful performance, all while being easy to transport from job to job. The included 13-piece accessory kit further enhances its versatility, giving you all the necessary attachments to get started immediately. The compact design and convenient portability make it the best air compressor for car detailing, offering both convenience and quality in one package. In conclusion, choosing the best air compressor for car detailing can make a big difference in your efficiency and results. Whether you're looking for portability, power, or versatility, there are options to suit every need. Be sure to consider the size, pressure output, and additional features when making your decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.